Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel my Pastel love. How you guys doing? Today is a one brand tutorial on K beauty and I'm going to do a full face of glam makeup using the K beauty products and I'm going to recreate this look right here. So if you are interested to see what all products I used and how it turned out, we got this look, then definitely do keep on watching. So let me sip some coffee and starting with a clean moisturized face, I'm going to start off my makeup with my brows first. For that I'm going to use the K beauty brow pencil and I'm just going to start roughly drawing my brows starting from the middle, and it's not going to be very precise but just to fill up the gaps. Next, moving on to foundation, I'm going to take the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 155 Yellow Tan. Now this is a very hydrating and dewy foundation. It comes with a pump and it's not very runny and it's kind of thick, but it's very dewy to the skin. So I'm just going to take a brush and apply it. You can see how natural finish this foundation gives. Like if you are a dry skin person like myself, you are going to love this foundation. Just give it a try if you haven't already. I actually did a full-fledged review of this foundation on my channel, you can check it out. But just see how seamlessly it blends. It just blends like a dream and it just looks very dewy, natural, and you can see the difference between the two cheeks. And just go on blending with the brush and it just blends like a dream, as I told you. And I just love how like easy and on the go and natural finish it gives. Next, for concealer, I'm going to take two shades. One is a yellow corrector and one is in the shade tan. The tan shade is a bit darker for me, which is why I'm going to use the yellow corrector. As you can see, first I'm going to take it in my inner corner, and after that you can see the tan shade is a bit orange. So both of this together gives that flawless under eyes that I go for, which is my skin but better. And I'm just going to start blending it with a brush. This is a concealer brush and it just works perfectly, blends like a dream again, and it gives a very natural flawless finish without giving any sort of white cast, and it just looks very hydrated under my eyes, as you can see, and very natural and just vanishes my dark circles. So absolutely stunning concealer for my skin. Next, taking the K Beauty Loose HD Matte Finish Powder in the shade Latte, and I'm just going to set my under eyes with it. This is such a beautiful loose powder, you guys. It's so finely milled. I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to take some in the brush and tapping off the excess. I'm going to start dusting very lightly under my eyes. This just gives the perfect amount of setting and making it matte without giving much of coverage and that heavy cakiness, which I like. After that, I'm just going to take the compact powder of K Beauty in the shade medium, and I'm going to just set the rest of my face with it. Now this powder is going to give me that added coverage if you want it, but the loose powder is just amazing. You can just stop right there, but I just like to do this extra step and set my whole face with this beautiful compact. Again, this is again very lightweight, goes with my skin, and you can see how matte and that whole canvas is ready for the rest of my makeup. Next, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the K Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade Bare Soul. I think this color theory is going to go with my dress and look today, so I'm just going to go for that one. Now taking this brown transition shade right here, I'm going to start blending my crease with it with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go with a very simple brown natural look today. Let's see where it goes. And just combining those two darker shades, I'm just going to start blending my crease with it. Taking an even darker shade of brown, I'm going to put that and concentrate it just in the outer corner of my eyes, taking a more denser brush, and I'm just going to start smoking it the outer corner of my eyes, giving that depth to the eyes. This is just going to contour it and make it look very nice and sexy and little smoky effect, if you know what I mean. Then taking those two brown shades again, I'm going to start smoking out my lower lash line with it. This is a very brown nudish sort of a color palette, and going with this bronzy shade. Let's see how that goes. I don't think that is working out in my eyelid, so let me just go with the gold, and I'm going to concentrate that in the middle of my eyes. And yeah, the gold is looking fab. So I'm just going to put that all over my lids, and I think this is a perfect goldy brownie look for my dress today. Next, taking the K Beauty mascara in the shade Midnight. This is a very nice volumizing plus lengthening mascara. I'm going to concentrate loads in the upper and lower lash line, and it gives a very false lash effect, sort of a waterproof mascara. This is absolutely on the go, love it. Next, for my kajal, I'm going to take the K Beauty waterproof 24-hour kajal in the shade Spade Black, and I'm going to start tightlining my waterline. And I just love wearing kajal, so this is a perfect everyday kajal, and it just completes my look. You can see how beautiful and complete the eye look is coming all together right now. And with that, I'm done with the eyes almost, guys. Now let's move on to the face. Next, for contouring, I'm going to take the K Beauty Contour Genius palette. It comes with 3 different shades for highlighting, contouring, bronzing and all of that jazz. I'm going to take a combination of those 2 bronzy shades. I'm going to start in the hollows of my cheeks and in my jawlines, etc., everywhere. And just for my nose contour, I'm going to take the cool tone brown, and I'm just going to very lightly define my nose. I feel it makes a lot of difference. Try it out if you guys haven't already. It just makes my nose look a little sharper and defined. Next up, for blush, I'm going to take the shade Soft Nude. This is a very neutral pinkish color and gives a very nice natural blushing look. And K Beauty blushes are absolutely stunning, you guys. It's very pigmented, so you have to be very careful and go very light handed with it, otherwise you can end up with lots of blush and joker face. So I'm going to dab it very lightly and go all over my face and cheekbone and concentrate right above where I bronzed, and you can see the difference. And I just love blushing, so I'm going to put some on my nose as well, as it gives a very natural look and overall blushed finish. Now for highlighting, I'm going to take the shade Champagne Fizz. It's a golden champagne shade, and taking my highlighter brush, I'm going to concentrate on my cheekbones, and you can see how beautiful and natural glow is giving. Oh my god, can you guys see it? Yes, so I'm going to put some on the high points of my cheek, nose, eyebrows, and wherever the light basically hits my face. And also I love doing this and putting some in my collarbone, especially if I'm wearing a deep neckline, and it just looks very nice and very natural. Now for lining my lips, I'm going to take the lip liner in the shade Fame. It's a dark brown color, and I'm going to start lining my lips, not overlining it, just little bit of something and blending the color in, and just preparing my lips for the lipstick. For lipstick, finally I'm taking the K Beauty Crayon lip color in the shade Just Friends. It's a beautiful peach shade, which is why I went with the brown lip liner in the first place. And I'm just going to fill up this color. It's a beautiful nudie peachy color and just looks stunning with this lip liner and this look overall, and I think it just goes with the look. What do you guys think? With that, I come to the end of this video and the look is done. What do you guys think? How it's looking? I think it's looking fab. It's very easygoing, easy breezy, and very neutral and lovely. And let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and do you want me to do one brand tutorials on other brands? Let me know which brand. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.